CBD vape oil. Get healthy while the CBD market is on fire, and with the increasing demand of CBD, there are a variety of different methods to get your daily dose. They range from sublingual sprays to vapid CBD oils to edibles. Yet many people don't realize that the method in which you choose to consume your CBD can dramatically modify its effective dosage. Vaping CBD is among the most convenient approaches to consume this helpful supplement. For many individuals with persistent pain or other conditions treatable with CBD, vaping offers practical and fast relief. With such a wide variety of vapes and CBD available, is that disposable pen vape at the local shop down the street really the best choice? And is that CBD e-juice they offer really as pure as they say? A lot of shops take advantage of brand new vapors' lack of understanding, offering them overpriced equipment or an item that may offer no results. Even worse, the product might make them ill. To avoid being cheated out of your hard-earned cash, it is very important to acquire a fundamental understanding of vaping and the components involved before making your first purchase. Vapers have actually been adding CBD oil to their daily routines. There are many health advantages associated with CBD, which is why a lot of people got into vaping in the very first place. CBD vape juice serves as a great addition to your routine, a liquid routine, and even if you don't have health issues, vaping CBD oil can still make you feel even better. CBD oil would not get you high, but it can with your general wellness. But what is vaping? Due to the fact that it is efficient and quick, vaping is becoming one of the most popular ways of consuming CBD. Vaporizers work by warming up a liquid and turning it into a vapor. CBD vape oil is any vape juice that consists of CBD rather of nicotine. CBD vape oil is any vape juice that consists of CBD rather of nicotine. CBD is a naturally occurring cannabinoid discovered in hemp and cannabis plants, which has been proven to provide relief to a wide range of ailments. But why is vaping so popular? Vape oil with CBD permits for rapid absorption of CBD by the body. Numerous users describe a nearly instantaneous result when they vape CBD. Edible forms can take more than 30 minutes to be digested and get into the bloodstream. For people using CBD to deal with seizures, chronic pain, stress, and anxiety, or other comparable disorders, waiting 30 minutes isn't simply not an option. CBD edibles, tinctures, and topicals tend to act much slower, while vaping CBD can provide the advantages almost instantly. When you're vaping, CBD enters your lungs directly and after that goes into the bloodstream right away. As a result, CBD acts with more power and speed. Will CBD vape oil get you high? Some CBD oil e-liquid is made from CBD isolate and contains not THC, while others are made from raw hemp and consist of trace amounts of it. In both cases, the answer is no, you can't get high. Even CBD oil consisting of up to the legal limit 0.3% of THC is still completely non-psychoactive. There's still a lot of confusion regarding CBD vape oil, which is often also called CBD vape juice or CBD e-liquid. CBD vape oil is made with CBD, VG, PG, and flavor and is created specifically for vaping. So if you like to start enjoying the benefits of vaping with CTFO CBD oil, the #1 CBD oil ranked in the United States, approved by the Department of Agriculture. Just click the link below and give it a try. You still have a 60 days guarantee money back policy just in case you don't like it. Thank you.